Hi there, everybody. This is a little feedback for the Symbology challenge. Quite a few people failed to change the field that you need to actually show the CO2 emissions and not just the first numeric field that ArcGIS Pro finds. So when you go into the Symbology, and this is important for every time you symbolize something, not just for this challenge. This isn't tricky data, and it wasn't meant to trip people up. But it is meant to demonstrate that you have to do this every single time you symbolize something. So let's just say we're going to go with graduated colors. It defaults to the first numeric field. ArcGIS code is some random code that's a unique identifier for each plant. I'm just going to make these a little bit bigger. And that looks good, so you can at least see it. And then let's flip that around. So the high values are dark and the low values are light. Okay, whoops, I just did it twice. My computer's being a little slow apparently. Okay, high values dark against the base map, low values light. But we are showing the ArcGIS code. You have to go in here and drop this down and choose one of the two CO2. It's completely different, as you'll see. The really high values are in a belt down here, not along the Wasatch Front, St. George. So it's very, very different. And this is, again, not meant to trip you up. It was in the instructions, but I just want to really make this point that you have to look at all of the settings for the tools that you guys are using, because the default is most often not appropriate for what you're doing. ARC can't always know what you're trying to accomplish, so make sure you're always checking out all of the settings for the tools, whether it's Symbology or running an actual tool. And yeah, if in doubt, double check, right? Like you could go in and look at the CO2 and you could sort it and look for, who has the highest emissions, and you could select those to see where they are on the map. And then when you do your Symbology, you'd be able to tell if you've got the right pattern. Okay, I hope that helps. Thanks.